guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl will be back at you with another video. This whole background is gonna be different because I'm eating and I didn't want to move. So yeah. So this video is gonna be like a makeup haul. Ordered stuff from Bh Cosmetics and Kylie's Cosmetics. My Kylie Cosmetics order was supposed to come in tomorrow, but then they said today. But then the Bh Cosmetics came in first, even though I ordered the Kylie stuff before. But right now I just got a text message and I went like, I was so excited that I bent my key. Look at this, I bent my key. I still got in my place somehow, but the key's like all bent. So yeah, and I left my like cereal here, so to go get it, and I got it. I like opened it with my key, but I didn't look in it yet. I didn't want to make this video long whatsoever, but when you open it, it comes with this little foundation thingy and these things. That, yeah. I forgot what I ordered, everything I ordered, but we're gonna open this. Okay. Oh, it's this one. This cute thingy. So for my brushes, my makeup brushes, I currently like use a solo cup because I just need to organize it. So I got this to put my brushes in. It's so cute. This is really adorable. I like it. So cute. Look at that. Okay. Next we have control on that. I don't want to make a mess. I'll just right here. Oh, I hate this filling. Damn, they wrapped this up. Oh, I think this is a palette, yeah. And then, oh, the Kylie Cosmetics thing is supposed to be coming now. I think the guy has it. But I had to go to like our mailroom to get this. But he probably has it because I did leave a note for them to deliver it to my door. So hopefully in the next couple of minutes or so he comes in. I'll probably have them in separate videos, but if it's not too long, then I'll add the Kylie Cosmetics order in here as well. I also got the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. My sister had it and I didn't want to get it because she had it, but now that she doesn't live with me, I wanted to get it myself because I needed like red, even though I ordered a red eyeshadow, but I just needed a red and stuff, so I got this. It's so cute. They like packaged the fudge out of it, like damn. Let me just put this here. Oh yeah, I needed more eyeliner, so I got the eyeliner. Okay. Yes, it's so cute. Let me put my trash back in before I show the last item. I thought I ordered more. That's not. Open what else I got. Okay, this is like fucking hard to open. Brush set because I have a lot of brushes as it is, but I just wanted new ones too. I'm gonna try it. This bag is so cute. Take the stickers and stuff off. I don't know where that one went. This bag's like a rose gold bag. Open it up. It's the Metal Rose 11 brush set with the bag. Okay. I have these brushes. So it came with, what does it say? It came with one powder brush, which I believe is this one. Yeah, powder brush. It feels so soft. Like the quality of this is so nice. So it came with a powder brush, a flat buffer brush. I'm just reading off of this. It came with a foundation brush. I don't really use foundation brush, like these type of foundation brushes. But I don't know, I might change it up. And then it came with a pointed crease brush. Look at that, they're so cute. They all come in like this little thingy. And after that, comes with a blending brush. I need another one. I have like a lot, but I need another one because, yeah. This is not going through, okay. After that, it also came with angled blending brush. Wait, the wrong one. Wait, where's the angled? The angled blending brush. And then it came with the round smudge brush, a flat concealer brush, an oval shadow brush, a brow liner brush, and a lip brush. But yeah, that's pretty much what I got. I forgot how much the total was, and I can't pull up like the receipt or anything because they never even emailed me. They only sent me a text message, and I can't go back to that text message. Oh, got curly. So I wish I could pull it up. But I guess that's it. I thought I ordered more than that. Honestly did. So that's what I got at BH. I'll probably be doing like videos with all of this stuff, but comment down below about which you want to see me do, like what type of videos you want to see me be doing. I know I'm gonna try to do a Halloween look before Halloween, so I'll probably like do like a lot of videos and try to post every day, probably twice a day or something like that. Oh yes, I got another one. Got another package, and that's the Kylie's one. But that's pretty much it for today's video. And since there's a couple minutes, I guess I can do another video. Okay, bye guys. I hope you guys liked it. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think. And bye.